Tonight, the White House Coronavirus Task Force warns that the first months of COVID vaccinations won't be enough to stop the spread, and that masking up and social distancing will still be crucial throughout the winter. We get more on this from CBS's Jonathan Vigliotti.
Tonight, hospitals filling up, COVID cases continuing to break records, and the vaccine may be too late for too many. The White House Coronavirus Task Force now says the current supply of the vaccine will not substantially reduce viral spread, hospitalizations, or fatalities until 100 million Americans are immunized, not before late spring. Until then, they say, behavior must change. 80% of U.S. counties reportedly saw even more people traveling this Thanksgiving than last year. This is what the Thanksgiving surge looks like.
People on ventilators, people dying. It doesn't end, and there's no way for healthcare workers to really decompress.
And deaths sharply increasing.
Over 8,000 people who were beloved members of their families are not coming back.
More than a third of all Americans live near hospitals that are critically short of ICU beds. California has more than 11,000 people hospitalized and 30,000 new cases, both all-time records. COVID has also taken a disproportionate toll on Latinos due to jobs in agriculture, construction, and meatpacking. In Los Angeles, their infection rate is double that of whites.
Latinos are overrepresented in essential industries, and so being in these occupations, we often have to go to work.
Meanwhile, in Idaho, a meeting on mask mandates canceled after one health official had this to say.
My 12-year-old son is home by himself right now, and there are protesters banging outside the door, okay? I'm gonna go home and make sure he's okay.
And in Florida, 41-year-old Rose Felipe finally leaves the hospital, her own battle with COVID lasting 9 months.
And if you would have told me back then that I would come out walking with difficulty, but I'm standing, and I'm not gonna give up.
And here in LA County, the number of hospitalizations jumped 300% in the last month. Cedars-Sinai is preparing to receive weekly vaccines. The county will get 84,000 initial doses, but with a population of 10 million people, it's not nearly enough. Nora?
Jonathan Vigliotti, thank you.